Today for my breakfast, I'm gonna make some Scrapple. Wrap-Up brand. Did you ever see me make Scrapple before? I have a few Scrapple videos. This is delicious. If you know anything about Scrapple, or if you're a pork lover, you have to try this. You find it in your store around the bacon or hot dogs, or in the deli. They'll cut you a few pounds of it. I'm gonna use my Ninja Foodi in the air fryer function. Let me plug it in. See what it says? Foodi. Isn't that nice? Scrapple is great for breakfast or any time of the day. It just happens to be breakfast time right now. I'm going to use the rack in the Foodi. I was going to use my other air fryer, and you can use any air fryer you want, but I decided to use the Foodi today. Let me just open this up and slice it a little bit. Try to get 3 or 4 slices in there. This is so delicious when it's deep fried or just pan fried. I never made it air fried until today. Cut off about 1/2 inch slices. Good sandwiches too. Some people put maple syrup on it, which I'm gonna have a little bit today. I hope to get it nice and crunchy. Cut 4 to start with. Gotta try it. I'm just going to spray my rack with a little Pam or cooking spray. I don't know if it'll stick, but I'm just doing that anyway. I'm going to sprinkle both sides with pan searing flour. Normally we'll dredge this through a plate full of flour, but since this is in a nice shaker bottle, I'm going to sprinkle them up. Pan searing flour. Better open it first, huh? Like this. Try not to make a mess on the floor, unless you want to. If you're cleaning it, that's okay. It'll give us a nice brownness that we like here. Well, there's one. See if I can get all 4 on there. Maybe just 3. It will probably be easier to dredge it in a pile of flour. Then I might waste some of this delicious pan searing flour with sea salt and white pepper. Ooh. Try that too. Three. Gonna get 4? Guess not. Well, that's gonna be good. I'll put this one in when those are done. Guess I could have cut them smaller. Keep it clean around here. Are you seeing them? Close the lid. I'm going to select Air Crisp. Push the Air Crisp button twice. 390, we'll try that time. 20 minutes. All right, let me go 10 and flip it over. Start. All right, I'm gonna see what it looks like after 10 minutes. Whoa, it's gonna be good. I could fry up some eggs now too, or some pancakes, but I already had eggs this morning. I'm still hungry. All right, I'll be back in 10 minutes. You can lift the lid to sneak a peek, it says right there. So we're gonna do that. Let's look inside. What's it like? Not yet. All right, we want crunchy. Crunch it up some. Okay, that's 10 minutes. That's halfway. I do believe I'm going to go the full 20 minutes on one side. A little crispy. Let's see that brown right there. Okay. You know how I want it. Go back in. Another 9 minutes and 47 seconds. Crunch it up. And next time I'll know the perfect time, because I never made Scrapple in an air fryer yet. Till today. Okay, our 20 minutes is almost up. Goes into a cool down mode. You know, you could have deep fried this in oil in about 5 minutes, but then it would also be soaked with all that oil. This is not. How's it look? Here's a sizzle. Oh, yeah. Let's turn it over. You know, I want it real crunchy, so I might go a little bit on the other side. Let's see how it came out. Oh, that's crunchy too. I might just go 5 minutes on that side because I want it real crunchy. Can't get Scrapple too crunchy. This comes in other brands that you might have heard of as well, like Hatfield or Kunzler. This is a Pennsylvania Dutch recipe. Also Haberset brand. And since I want it so crunchy, second time I'm gonna go 400 for, well, let's just go 10 minutes. I know this is a lot of time, but it's gonna be so worth it. For me, you could flash fry it in your deep fryer if you want. That's okay. Okay. Here we go. Boy, I'm hungry for this. It's gonna be so good and crunchy. Cool down. Open the lid. Ah, where's my fork? Sizzling, you hear it? Can you see it sizzling? Let's put that on a paper plate, let it cool for 2 minutes. Remember, I have one more piece. We'll put that in. Look at it. See? Imagine that with some nice eggs or whatever you like for breakfast. Oh, yeah. Look at that. See what it looks like inside. I like how it got the lines of the rack in there. See? Crunchy and soft on the inside. Oh, look at the heat though. Let it cool. Let it cool. Remember, sometimes we pour some maple syrup on it as well. That might help cool it down. Ooh, not too much. So the next time you're at a diner, see if they have this, or buy yourself some and make it in your air fryer or in your Ninja Foodi. I know you want to bite. Oh, it's so hot. It's so good with the sweet syrup on there. There's the chicken crunch. I have some more. Okay, everybody. Try some Scrapple. If you never had it, don't be afraid of it. Make it in your air fryer or your Foodi. This makes a nice sandwich too. I made a sandwich once with Scrapple, bacon, and cheese, and it was delicious. I'll put a link there. I also made bacon wrap Scrapple already. Oh boy. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Have a nice day. Please subscribe. See ya.